Hi everyone, it's Sue and it's time for my August unboxing for my creative team for Auntie Vera Scrap and Craft. And I did order a couple of extra things, but the box is double the size, so this is interesting. Okay, so I've only opened the top. I haven't actually looked inside. So lots of packaging, more bubble wrap. And another pen, so that's two red ones. Excellent. Right, what have we got now? I can't remember which was I ordered myself personally and which was part of the design team. All right, what I might do is take the box away because I think it's going to get in the way. Okay, all right, let's have a look. Oops. There we go. Now, let's have a look. We've got a little package here. Now, I'm just wondering where the separate. Okay. This will tell me, I hope, what I've ordered myself personally, so I'll know which ones are which. Okay, so thinking those will leave, and I'm thinking these are all part of the design team stuff, so let's have a look. Okay. So I have a decorative die, so it's Kaiser Craft, and it's a bow. So that's that, and I do remember choosing that. And Magical Forest ephemera pieces, so there's 40 there from Crate Paper. And I believe that's the paper we're using this time. Magical Forest again, so this is a sticker sheet, so 82 stickers. So I'll just give you a look at those. So that should be fun. Alright, now we'll do this one here. Okay, Distress Collage Medium. Now I've never used this before, but I have heard it's very good, so I'm looking forward to trying that. It's just, oh gosh. Okay, so that might be easier to read. So that'll be good. Just chuck everything on the floor behind me. Let's see, papers. Okay, now this was one I chose. No winter lasts forever. Okay. These are I think this is Ciao Bella, and they are like a rice paper, I believe. So you do decoupage and things with them. So I'm interested to give those a go. I think there should be two. Yes, that looks like there's two. So there's the one with the fox, and we have this one with the bird. I really like those, they're really nice. So, good. Okay, now, papers. Let's have a look here. Now, this is the range that we're using this time. They're Crate Paper ones again. This one's called Magical Forest. And this one's called Sunlight. So as you can see, they're rainbows. And the other side is that design. I don't know what you'd call it, a diagonal diamondy sort of a design in a sort of a goldish colour. And this one is Always, and they look like journaling cards. And a nice star pattern on the back. This one's called Discover, and you've got lots of little mushrooms or toadstools. And sort of I guess it's a rainbow design. It's quite nice. And this one's called Willow. And it's again like some journaling cards. So they're quite nice too. And that one, Hearts. Very much a sort of a wintry theme, I guess. And we have some flowers. This one's called Wildflower. And the other side. Oh wow, lots of words. This one is, must be on this side. Wishes, so some stars. And words. This is where the fun stuff happens. Grow like a wild flower. Love you to the moon. Something and back. Let's play, grow. Make your own magic. Play, always be brave. Wonder. Grow like a wildflower. Be. Okay, so it repeats itself. Okay, so that's interesting. And this one's called Garden. And it's got lots of strawberries. And a nice check. And this is a cute one with critters. Lots of little critters, little wintry looking critters. Remind me of children's book illustrations. And some dots, or snow dots, something like that. And this one's imaginary. And we've got some unicorns, some foxes, rabbit, I'm not sure, squirrel. So that's that one. And a bit of a grid pattern on the back. And a very large, what do you call that, rainbow? Childhood, that one's called. Hard to get that one in. Okay, and like a wood grain on the back. Little, and it's just numbers. And some coloured splotches. And we have Meadow, which has some flowers and leaves and things. And that same design again, that diagonal, just in a different colour. Okay, so that's going to be interesting, using those. Okay, so they obviously go with those and those. So that's great, and I have a bow die. So excellent. Now, what else did I get? I'll just move that. And remember, these products being the core products and the products that I have ordered, they're all on sale as well during the month. So make sure that if you do want them, go along and get them while they're on sale, especially this sort of stuff, because obviously, you know, it's not always on sale. But, you know, something you'll need quite often. Now, let's have a look here. Alright, there's something, what's that say there? Mini envelope. Okay, I'm not sure what that means, but okay. As I said, I've got several of the pens now. That makes 4 pens, 2 red. And Auntie Vera's card, which I have a collection of also. And we do have another, it's a butterfly, it's like a steampunk butterfly die. Cheery Lynn Designs. Okay, it's an interesting colour. I don't know if you can see that, it's sort of a purple. Curious to give that a try actually. Gears Butterfly. Okay, cool. And now these I wanted myself. I've got Distress Oxide Vintage Photo. After using the pink one that I got last month or 2 months ago, this one here, Spun Sugar, I thought, yeah, I quite like those. I'll give that one a try. And I needed some more paint, so I've got the Heather, the Dina Wakley Heather. Now, because everyone last month in July was using the COVID papers, and I was totally inspired by quite a few of the projects, so I thought I'd give them a try. So I got some of the papers. I didn't get a huge amount of paper because I like to add my own as well. So I did get the ephemera die cuts, so I'm looking forward to using those. And I did get some of the papers here. So the COVID-19 one with the little COVID germy things, and it's like a ledger paper on the back. And I thought this one was a useful one. This happened. So they're all little journaling cards. And a grid on the back. And some more journaling cards. This is COVID idiot? Oh, I don't know. So, yep, looking forward to that one. And, of course, the toilet rolls, which we've had a second wave of panic buying of toilet rolls. And this one again, obviously I got 2 of those. So there we go. I think I might have got 2 because I wanted the cards, but I also wanted the toilet paper as well. So got 2 of those. Okay, I think that wraps it up. So another box of exciting goodies to play with. Looking forward to working out what I'm going to do for my projects. I sort of have something in mind to start with, and then when I get the papers or whatever, pretty much I always end up changing my mind anyway. So hopefully I'll think of something really inspiring for those. Alright, thank you very much for joining me, and please keep an eye out for the projects as they come up. I'll put the links below to the shop, the Facebook group, and the blog. If you like to read the blogs and follow the instructions there, if you find that easier than sometimes we do the videos as well, of course. But please keep an eye out for all of those. Enjoy your month of August projects, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.